आई थिंक लोगों को, मेरे पहाड़ी लोगों को मेरी इनोसेंस, आई नो आई एम स्टिल, आई एम नॉट करप्ट बाय द वर्ल्ड. मैं अभी भी वो पहाड़ी जो लड़की हूँ, जो मैं आज से जो भी 20 साल पहले निकली थी, या जो भी, अब मैं आज भी वही भोली सीधी सादी पहाड़ी लड़की हूँ आई थिंक. एंड ऑल्सो पहाड़ी लड़कियाँ बड़ी बड़ी वो होती हैं, जैसे हरियाणवी लड़कियाँ होती हैं ना, काफ़ी हिम्मत वाली होती हैं. दे आर सॉफ्ट स्पोकन, दे आर वेरी जेंटल. बट पहाड़ ऐसे होते हैं ना,
सॉफ्ट स्पोकन कैसे, स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सन.
पर पहाड़ी थोड़ी मीठी सी लैंग्वेज होती है, मीठी वो लैंग्वेज होती है ना, डोगरी की तरह होती है पहाड़ी. तो दे लाइक दैट अबाउट मी कि आई एम स्ट्रॉन्ग, आई एम येट वनरेबल, एंड दे लाइक दैट कि हमारी बेटी है और ऑल दैट. सो आई थिंक दैट वर्कड फॉर देम.
अभी टॉकिंग अबाउट योर मूवी व्हिच इज कमिंग राइट नाउ, उसमें आई यूज, व्हाट इज अ नंबर दैट यू वांट टू डू? What is the
नहीं करती मैनिफेस्ट.
Come on. नहीं, कुछ जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
जो होगा देखा जाएगा. अब भगवान ने इतने दूर हमें लाया है, आगे भी अच्छा ही करेंगे. और सबसे बड़ी बात तो है, जब करने वाले हैं तो हम क्यों, जब ईश्वर खुद बैठे हैं तो हम क्यों अपने प्लान बनाए. आई हैव गिवन माई बेस्ट एंड आई हैव मेड अ ग्रेट फिल्म, यू नो दैट आई कैन टेल यू.
But are you scared? पॉलिटिक्स के ऊपर मूवी बनाना is little scary.
नहीं, आई एम, यू सी द,
क्योंकि आप बना भी ऑपोजिशन के ऊपर रहे हो.
आप देखिए ना फिल्म. आई नो आई हैव मेड अ ग्रेट फिल्म. आई नो इट्स अमेजिंग फिल्म. आई नो आई कुड हैव नॉट डन बेटर देन दिस, यू नो. और फिर मेरे हाथ में क्या है.
पर जब बना रहे थे तब कभी ऐसा लगा कि ये टॉपिक बहुत ज्यादा स्कैरी हो सकता है, कंट्रोवर्शियल हो सकता है?
ये ना मेरी आदत ही नहीं है. मैं एक बार कोई कदम उठा लूँ ना, तो फिर मैं पीछे नहीं मुड़ के देखती, और फिर वो थॉट भी नहीं मैं अपने आप को आने देती.
बट गांधी फैमिली इज लाइक वेरी इन्फ्लुएंशियल इन द कंट्री.
नहीं, मैंने सोचा कर दिया तो कर दिया, भी करो ऑल द वे.
ओके, टेल मी वन गुड थिंग अबाउट इंदिरा गांधी एंड वन बैड थिंग अबाउट इंदिरा. बेस्ड ऑन जो आपने मूवी बनाई, इतना पढ़ा होगा, देखा होगा, एक्ट किया होगा, प्ले भी किया होगा, गुड रोल भी, बैड रोल भी, यू हैव प्लेड द होल लाइफ. सो टेल मी इन द न्यूट्रल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, गुड एंड बैड, व्हाट पर्सनली एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग आपको क्या लगा अबाउट हर कैरेक्टर बेस्ड ऑन योर परसेप्शन?
I think, you know, the good thing about her was that she wanted to make a difference. She really wanted to make a difference. She was not one of those who were in it to just enjoy, or to, you know, to kind of to shop, or to, you know, like, she was not one of those people. She wanted to make a difference. That's the good part. But one thing that I'm not talking about good or bad, because you can't label humans like that, you know. One thing that may have not worked for her is that she always seeked validation, always, you know, always wanted validation, and especially for people who were very close in her life, her father, her son, her husband, and probably, you know, that essentially and eventually became her weakness.
Constant validation from people around.
Men in her life.
Men in her life.
Yeah. Her father, her son, her husband.
Interesting. Wow. That's an interesting. ये मूवी में कहीं पे देखने को मिला है ये वाला पार्ट?
Maybe you will interpret it like that. I don't know. Depends.
Okay. No, after listening to this, now I'm gonna watch it with such
you tell me after you see the film.
Okay. Today also you made क्यों बोला ऐसा? Why did Gandhi is most dangerous man?
See, essentially, I feel that, you know, वो जो जैसे वो बहुत लाडले बच्चे ने जो खिलौना नहीं मिला तो उसको तोड़ दो, that kind of attitude can, you know, is so dangerous. You are trying to divide the country. You're trying to set the country on fire. You're trying to target the economy. You're trying to compromise the security of the country just because you can't be the prime minister. You know, you are joining forces with the enemies of the country and trying to destabilize the nation just because you can't be the prime minister. This is such a, I mean, I don't know what to say. If he was really an intelligent person, he could have really ruined the country. But because he's not that smart, so obviously he can't do much about it. But his intentions, you know, his intentions come out, and what people see and how he's looking. He thinks it's funny that he thinks he can be the prime minister by doing these tricks. People are, see, today the stock market was not affected at all.
Not at all, yeah.
And how he was going crazy night before that, you know, something's big going to happen, and this is compromised, and that is compromised, and this is sold, and that is sold, and eventually what happened?
Nothing.
You know, so he exposed himself, that what he was trying to do. Why would he try to target the stocks of our country and unnecessarily create panic there? That's what is, you know, whether these are the protests that are happening in the country, whether, you know, they're trying to join hands with Khalistanis movement, or now whatever happening to Hindus in Bangladesh, they're not speaking a word about them. So I see somebody who's just so bitter and so poisonous, and I think that.
But that's what an opposition does, right? They try to challenge your opinions and your decisions.
No. See, what an opposition does, you should see emergency for that. You don't destroy the country. You don't burn the country down.
Our last question, and we'll sum it up, is what do you think, if you have to point out in your life, was one mistake of yours? एक गलती कौन सी जैसे लगता है कि यार ये नहीं करती है?
You know what? I've made many mistakes which I've paid for, but I think they were good
mistakes in your life.
They were good mistakes.
Tell me the one highlight, like which is the biggest mistake you feel कि यार ये extra हो गई.
I think
maybe it was choosing
I
wrong
just feel
person,
that
wrong project, wrong career.
Sometimes I feel that I had an opportunity to fight election in 2019 also.
Okay.
I had an opportunity, and now that I have so much to learn, and it's just so much information that I have to acquire and all of that, sometimes I feel that why didn't I do it? It could have not stopped my course of my career anyway. It's just that I could have got more accustomed. At least I would have followed news or read about it and become a little bit, because
I mean, थोड़ी experience हो
बहुत ज़्यादा everything has come on. उसका भी लगता है कि शायद I should have taken that offer.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was a lovely chat.